All right, all right, all right. We're live. We're live. Welcome, ladies and gents, to another live stream. Hopefully, one of the last, if not the absolute last, on the Rank First project, which is coming close to an end. But I can't really commit to saying this is going to be the last video because I think we said that 2 videos ago. So anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Well, we want to get this to a state where it's good enough. And it's okay if it takes a couple more videos. That's okay. That's normal. It's a normal part of the process. Anyway, we have with us Mr. Abraham today to share a few words with the viewers.
I hope you dear viewers good life.
Okay, it seems awfully general. All right, let's see. So Cursor was just doing an update. I was telling you earlier, man. Cursor had a massive update over the weekend. Not sure if you guys are familiar, but basically, they introduced background jobs, which,
So you
whoa,
can multitask.
enable the background agent. So basically, what it does is it hosts your code on their own servers in isolated remote environments. And then, uh, so obviously, you need to turn off privacy mode. That's why I didn't see it earlier. I was trying to use it. I kept trying to use it and I couldn't. But it turns out I had privacy mode enabled. So you need to let go of your privacy. And as soon as I let go of my privacy, that's when, we got the prompt to set up the background agent. And so basically what it does, uh, injected as environment variables. That's beautiful. So you can pass in the environment variables so that it can replicate your environment on the server. And then you can just give it tasks and it does it. I actually used a variant of this called Codex because ChatGPT, surprisingly, they they made an they released this yesterday, which is basically just you can describe a task, any task that you want, and then just tell it code, and then close the browser, and then you get a pull request. You just get a pull request that says, "Oh, this is implemented." So it's nuts, man. It's only
So
available
it does
to
it in the background.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It does the whole thing in the background, man. It's crazy. Um, so I was hoping we get a chance to try it out and kind of see for ourselves, how the thing actually works. I'll be honest, like the Codex one was a bit disappointing because it's way lamer than the Cursor one. Like, Cursor can actually search for files, it can find stuff. The Codex one is kind of stupid. So, it just does grep and then you can see the logs, like what it's trying to do. So when it searches for files, oftentimes it misses the point. It doesn't, it's not as complete. And I'm guessing it's because it comes with its own model. Like it has its own like GPT model, custom trained for coding, which is honestly not as good as the Google Gemini ones.
I think based on what I've been reading, the 2.5 is, is killing it.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
everyone
yeah.
is praising Gemini 2.5 when it comes to code. Like people are kind of shifting away from GPT.
Bro, it can't be beat. I mean, at least for now, I think it's
Well,
as
it's
good
a
as it
constant
gets.
competition,
It's
yeah,
between
but
that and 3.7. I mean, 3.7, I wouldn't
Claude,
count it out. Yeah, just yet. Um, but yeah, 2.5 is amazing for like, yeah, just thinking, like actual thinking. I feel like Claude, maybe if you have a specific thing that you already know, like what you need to change, then you can just tell it. But I would just always just use 2.5 by default and then fall back to Claude Sonnet if it doesn't work for whatever
freedom,
reason.
yeah.
Cool. All right, so let's fire up to do, man. Let's see where we are. Okay, so we got authentication left. Man, last time we got publication queue going. That should be good. Oh, we have an
Yeah.
env example. Oh, okay. All right. AI features disabled. Oh, nice. Oh, it's good. It's nice to know they care about our safety. It's in dot cursor ignore. I don't even have a cursor ignore, but it already does the needful. That's beautiful. All right, so now we need to add authentication, which is, man, that's a good chunky one, huh? That's gonna be a chunky one. Maybe potentially be a
Authentication.
chunky one. Maybe it won't be. Who knows?
I don't think it would be that chunky.
Maybe it's just one shot, right? One shot and it just bloody works. I mean, that would be living the life. That would be beautiful. Man, we need to do something
Go
about the
for it.
design. But okay. All right, we'll get to the design. We'll get to the design. But, for now we're just trying to vibe our way through this. Uh let's see. Let's see. So, um what are we doing? So publication queue is taken care of. That's beautiful. That's amazing. We want to add authentication. So I think for this, like basically, you want to create a plan and kind of implement this, step by step, right? You don't want to just one shot the thing. So um,
Yeah, let's create a plan first.
we'd like to add authentication to the app. Right now we've got it hard coded to return a mock customer ID. But now we just like to take steps to make sure that it's properly implemented. We can support email password sign in as well as sign in with Google. Sign in with Google is a pain to set up, but like that's what most people use. Like that's just how it is, man. Most people
Gmail.
use sign in with Google. Yeah, that's the reality. Um, and maybe you can use one of the existing apps that we've already got instead of having to. Is that? I should also check. Okay, sounds like a crucial upgrade. We're moving from a mock setup to a real authentication. Right things first. Okay. Yeah. All right. We'll use the design doc template. Bro, it knows what it's doing. It knows exactly.
But
Okay, so let's see.
what will it use though?
What?
What will
Right?
it use?
The design doc, and I'll review it there. What are you waiting for? Like, why didn't you write the design document? What? Should have used the. Seems I'm still having trouble. Can you please provide the content of. Oh, hmm. Okay. I don't know why I can't access the design doc. I'm guessing it's because like we need to move. Maybe we need to move these guys inside dot cursor for it to work. That's kind of weird though. But okay, let's try again. Um, let's see. I need to create a new file to put in a design directory as per the rules and populate it. Okay. Maybe we should check the rules and just make sure this is referencing an actual file. So add design doc, yeah. What? No JS backend with what is this talking about? User hasn't specified a particular tech stack. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. And imagine one-shotting the thing and then it just Starts
bricks.
writing this Node.js passport crap. Okay. Oh, it created a new design director. Unbelievable. Bro, this is ridiculous. All right. All right, the draft of the design document has been created. Does it at least follow the same structure? Yeah, it looks like it does. So it did actually access this. Current context. So feature, current context requirements, functional. No, it didn't. It just made up its own thing.
So it will use Google Sign In.
I don't know if it can access. Okay, whatever. Just gonna move it here, move it back where it was, and then like reference it here. So at design, oops, and then at
You should
context.
also see. You
Said what?
should also see the plan.
We're using Next.js, by the way. Maybe we should give it like README for context. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, we could just give it README and then it would know. Oh, it appears half your face is cut off in the stream. Just just something the viewers might not appreciate.
Why is my face cut off?
Don't know, man. Maybe he's shy. Oh dear.
I see
Where
my
did the
face, man.
where did the design folder go? Oh,
You deleted it.
I did?
Yes.
Oh, because I reverted it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, we don't need it. It would create it, right? Let's, okay, following our collaborative process, let's first solidify the problem. The application lacks it. Okay, we need to implement a secure. Okay, this will, all right, what do you think of this? Once we agree, would be to create a design. Looks good. Hmm. I mean, so between, like, if it's just post view page and authentication left. I mean, there's a lot we can do on the post side of things, you know? But, and then I guess like part of it would also be like scheduled publishing, right? But you know, if we do this with a cron script, that's probably going to be the fastest way. But let's see. All right. There's no secure authentication. Okay. Must be able to sign up, sign in using email. All right. Password securely hashed. Session management. All right. Select certain routes. Okay. Looks good. Next.js. Out of the box. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Other libraries exist. But AutoCS offers a good balance. Okay. I mean, I've heard good things about Supabase Auth, but man, it's like Supabase charges per project, so the cost climbs like crazy. Like I'm paying like Pro tier, ideal for I don't know how they do charging, but where is unlimited API requests, scale compute? Bro, do you charge for projects or not? I think they do, man. That's the annoying. Like each project has its own paid plan. Can you imagine? Like, oh, if you have two projects that use the database, you're gonna pay, like
Twice.
50 a month. It's ridiculous. I don't know who thought of this pricing scheme, but it's just ridiculous. So we have a bunch of projects and it's just eating up. I didn't even look at it for a while now, you know? Oh, is this got a pro plan going? Like AI dialer? I don't even know how much I'm paying per month. Should probably look into that. I mean, project settings,
I think there is
billing,
billing.
subscription, limited by the
Should go
included
up.
usage. Yes. Oh my God. It's 34 just for this project. Oh, no, it's for both.
Projected costs.
Computed.
It's
So it's
projected cost.
30. Yeah, yeah. So last month was 35. No, 34, 35. And then, oh, so it's not per project? I don't know how they do it, man, but whatever. Need to look into that a little bit. But I guess, yeah, like it probably makes sense to use something like Supabase Auth or whatever. Unless maybe you're explicitly using something that is front end only. No, especially if you're using something that's front end only, maybe not using Next.js. It's hard to set up a back end. You could get away with using something like Supabase as your back end. Um, all right, whatever, whatever. Talking too much. Okay, potential enhancements. Password reset. Maybe instead of username password, like we could actually just do password and then
Sign
it
in
sends
with
an
Google.
email. Yeah, yeah. But then we need to set up an email provider. I mean, I guess you need an email provider anyway, because if you do password reset, you're gonna need like
Yeah.
an email provider anyway. I don't know, man. But okay. Basic UI, redirect users, okay. Non-functional requirements, okay. Auth.js, okay. Database, we're using Postgres. Yeah, obviously. This will be the main auth. Okay. All right. Components auth. We have user, account, session, verification token. Does that clash with anything we already have? No. Okay. We should probably associate user with customer somehow as well, right? Take a look at the existing schema and see if there are any relationships that need to be made between the new schemas and the existing tables. New schema.
So with Supabase, you basically don't have to have your own server SQL.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the appeal. So this, we're already using Next.js, so you're already going to have like a lot of server stuff. I mean, you need server stuff unless you're going to do just functions, super-based functions. Um, yeah, I don't know, man. It's like a paradigm. I guess they all work. It's not where I try to solve this, in general. I think it's whatever you're comfortable with. Frankly, I have no idea how I would debug like super-based stuff. So
What if
I'd have to
what
learn that part of the process. And, who wants to do that, right? You just use what you're comfortable with and that's it. Unless it's
what
like
if we get
miles better.
what if we get like a cheap VPS and then we just deploy to it?
A cheap what?
VPS.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We already have one.
Instead of
I deploy all my stuff to a Raspberry Pi. I'm not even paying anything.
hmm. No, I mean like instead of using Supabase and all that.
No, I mean with Next.js you can do that. With Next.js you can just, deploy it wherever you want and you're done. We're not using Vercel. Um, but with Supabase, yeah, you'd have to pay for the stuff. Like you're basically
Yeah.
you're 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 exporting part of your backend to them, so you have to pay for that stuff. I think this is
Yeah, that's
good.
what I mean. Especially like we have a database that stores the content and it will grow exponentially large with time, inshallah.
Yeah. I mean, auth auth is how we did it in the past, so looks good to me. Let's go. Let's go. Should probably save the plan. Oh, what is all that? Who's querying? Oh, it's because I have localhost running. Yeah, there's this stuff. Okay. Oh, it's a lot. So let's just add everything. Do we change the schema? Oh, I didn't know that. Pre-auth. All right, what is it doing? Oh, it's installing bcrypt. Oh, very nice, very nice. I like it. Yeah, just jump right into it. Let's go. All right, move to background. Man, I really want an excuse to do this background stuff. Maybe we give it
The
the
theme.
other two do, like the
You changed
posts.
the theme.
I changed the theme.
It was dark.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That guy he got epilepsy after epilepsy, was it? I forgot what that guy got. Mr. I forgot his name,
James, I
man.
think.
We just we didn't even check
James,
on him
and
after the last stream.
yeah, hopefully he's good.
Ah, Gabriel is checking in on this. Hey, Gabriel, what's going on, mate? So he says, great to see people live vibing, experimenting new Gemini model. Yeah, man. Well, I mean, it's been a while since the model came out. I mean, but yeah, I wouldn't say experimenting at this point. We're pretty comfortable. So,
We've had nine
how,
views, mate.
how would I put this into words for my man Gabriel? I don't think he's with us anymore because there's zero viewers right
No,
now.
but we've had nine views, man.
9 views?
Yeah.
Well, okay. All right. That's very nice. That's very nice. But I only see one view here. Like, how does that? I don't know. Oh
You
well.
know, it doesn't
Thank you
sync right away.
for dropping by, Gabriel.
Hit the
The
select
Gemini
button,
model
subscribe, and share with your friends.
is lit. Please tell
Share,
Cinder did a good job on that one.
share and subscribe, man. Ask him to share and
Share,
subscribe.
subscribe, and broadcast to all your contacts on all social networks. Okay. All right, where were we?
So cheesy, man. We'll hit the background. We test the background.
Seems like the last. That's okay. It's just a dev dependency, so it's not critical. Okay. Before we proceed, please run your migration. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it, mate. AutoStream requires a few environment variables. Please create a .env.local. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, but we don't want to do the env stuff while we're live streaming, of course, right? So we're going to
Yeah,
do that off screen.
off
So we
screen.
prevent anyone's private variables from being shared. It's the least we can do. All right, so next auth, and then we'll turn around and copy paste them. Does this look like a lock? No. Does that look like a lock? No. Does this look like but taller and fatter? Yeah, not enough. Okay. Prompt style, classic, not enough vertical space to display the rainbow. What is this? Clean. Okay. Okay. Show current time. No, one line. Yeah, let's do one line. What is this? I don't understand. All right,
Probably
inside.
configuring your prompt.
Yeah, yeah, we're setting
Oh, this
up
is
some sort of,
ZSH.
is this a, yeah, maybe. Okay. Override? Yeah, go for it. Yes, okay. Power level 10K. Hmm. I thought I ditched power level 10K, man. I ditched that stuff. I used a different one. What it was called. All right, anyway. What are we doing? Yeah, next auth secret.
Variables, environment variables.
Let's do that. Then we got next auth URL. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, yeah, okay. All right. So we got the .env updated, and now we can proceed. Yeah, yeah, okay. Done with the migration. Wait, did we actually do the migration? Did we? I mean, did it work? We didn't. Let me make sure. Oh, customer violates is not present in the table user. Oh, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, yeah, okay. Maybe we can just delete them. Delete that entry for user. We don't even have a user table. Okay, so customer is the problem table. So we can just kill. No, but you can't. It's gonna give you a violation error. Yeah, yeah, okay. Whatever. We'll just hand it to this guy and then have it fix it.
I think you need to empty the database.
I what? Oh dear, I think I closed cursor by accident. Oh dear. Oh, I love how we're just back. We're just back here like nothing happened. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, I didn't. You need to empty the database? I mean, that's pretty extreme, man. I don't want to empty the database. I'm sure I can figure out a
Not
solution
right
here.
now.
Yeah, yeah, how to resolve this. You have a few options depending on what you want to do. Temporarily remove, edit the generate, find the part of the SQL that adds the foreign key constraint. It will look something like this, and then apply the modified. You can run this using. No, I'll go with option one. Uh, okay, but it is more manual. Let's do one.
Oh, that was deep, man. Go for it.
That was not the viewers on the live stream are protected from that. Oh, it's doing everything. I didn't have to. I thought it was going to be a manual thing, and then I'd have to figure it out. I'm delighted to see that it took care of everything. All right. Error insert. Okay, it seems like we're still trying to apply the original constraints. Okay. All right. Ensure migration is saved with the commented out line. Okay. Migrate found. Okay. Okay, the error. I'll just leave it to do its own thing. I'm gonna go get some water.
Run this in the background. Let's just it.
All righty. Can you hear me still?
Yes.
All right. What is this? Why did it stop? Okay, now marked as applied. Okay,
He
handle
said
exit. You mentioned you need to create a
he
user
said the
record
mock.
with this. You what?
Once it insert the mock customer ID.
Please perform this step now. Mock customer ID, mock customer at example.com, mock customer now. Okay, but I don't see a user table though.
Probably customers table.
Oh, there's a customer
Yeah,
table?
it's customer table. Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
one.
but it's talking about comments that don't exist. Huh,
Email name. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It doesn't
really? What
exist.
is this? Prisma thinks? Rank first. Migration marked as applied. Great, the migration is now marked as applied. Prisma thinks all the SQL in blah 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 has been successfully run. However, because you commented out alter table, that specific foreign key constraint has not actually been created. The other parts of the migration should have been applied, or when you ran migrate deployed. Oh no. Oh no, my friend, it didn't. That's the problem. Oh dear. We need to reset. All data will be lost. Oh, don't tell me
It's
it
just
reset everything. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay, it looks like it's just messing. I don't know, man. Why is it getting so complicated? Plus, I'm gonna just change the stupid ID. Mock customer ID too. Is that gonna be okay? Maybe that just fixes it. Okay, you know what? You know what? It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna delete everything. I mean, it would have been nice to be able to keep some of this. I mean, some of this stuff is actually really good. I would like to use it. I would like to use this stuff. Okay, how about we just export these? I mean, this is rubbish. Okay, whatever. We're just going to export all the tables. Export. How do we do? All right. Export, export. Yeah. Please select at least one table. All right, we'll just export all of these. Export tables. Yeah. Okay. Let's export. So we're just going to call this rank first. All right. Okay. Export everything. Beautiful. And now we can just reset. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Wasted way too much time on this crap. Yeah, let's go. All right, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? So now we should be able to just import it back. Should. So we just file import from CSV, and then we just go here. So just import all this stuff back. Oh, you can't, you got to do it one by one. Oh, that's annoying. And that's a bit annoying, isn't it? Why doesn't it pick up the table? Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. It's pretty dumb import, huh? Import. It's a bit of a dumb import. That's what it looks like. Content strategy. I need to pick the content strategy table. Okay. It doesn't even, oh my God. I need to know which one to create first. Oh my God, this is so painful. All right,
I think
so I guess
we should
first one
start
you
with
want,
customer and then
yeah, exactly. Exactly. So you start with the customer, import is not present.
right.
Okay, so you need the user first. So you need to create the user thing first. So give it an ID. The ID is just going to get created. This is going to be mock customer, mock at customer.com, email verified. Yeah, whatever. Just now. Mm, all right, it's going to be now. It's going to be now. Oh, non-null. Which part is null? The ID is null. Okay. Mock customer ID. I think that's the one that we used. Mock customer ID. So now when we come to import, mock customer ID 2. Oh, I called it ID 2. That's it's probably now I've done that. Let's just fix it here. It's getting ridiculous, man. This is just a huge waste of time. I'm getting so frustrated. This better work right now. What is this stupid import? Bro, why am I doing this one by one? Oh, finally. Oh, wow. We imported one row. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, so what next? We got to do each one of these. Content strategy. Probably not going to work because it doesn't have keyword set or website, maybe. We need website first. Oh, that needs mock ID customer. Oh, man. It changed it to mock ID customer too for all of them. Unbelievable. Bro, I'm losing it. I'm running out of patience here.
Should have
You still
just
got?
ditched and started a new one. We could have finished.
Yeah, we don't care, right?
Yes, it's just dummy data.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so we just go back here. Okay, migration, all good. You can proceed. I just like the content, man. I like the content. And then, yeah, I mean, we had it in a working state, you know? We had it in a working state, and so, it's just nice to have a working state the entire time instead of being stuck in a non-working state until this whole thing gets worked out. We'll see.
Yeah, but it's balancing the errors and
Oh, bro, we got 3 viewers at the moment. Oh, we're down to one. Okay. So a minute ago we had 3 viewers. Welcome, 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 everyone. Welcome, everyone. If you have any comments, drop them. We reply to all comments. And if
share
they
the love.
Yeah, yeah. Like if the comments just get out of control, we'll stop doing anything else and just replying to the comments. So those are our priorities. What is this? Could you please connect? What?
So wants to verify what?
Migrate that. Bro, migration all good. Stop messing with it.
I think it's not aware of what do you call it? The
SQL.
database into migration.
All right. Okay, yeah, it's moving ahead. You're absolutely right. It's all good. I'll trust your word and we'll move forward. There. Just some trust, mate. Some trust. I mean, we're working together
You're
here.
forgiven.
I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, so I don't think we gave the viewers background on what it is we're trying to do today, right? I mean, it's
No,
just
I think
customary for us to do this at the beginning of every stream. So basically, dear viewers, the idea is, we're building an automated. So basically, one of the most annoying things for developers to do is marketing, right? It's just super annoying. It's very hard to do, and that's what we're solving. Is we're basically doing marketing on autopilot. You can give our tool a domain that figures out what product you're building, who your audience is, and it automatically generates content. And get this, it publishes it too. If you're running Next.js, the integration process is literally like 4 lines. It was five in the last video, but now it's four. So
will be free in the next one.
yeah, yeah, it's four. You just have to paste a couple lines, and that's it. Like everything else gets done for you. It's amazing. It's a thing of beauty. All right, so what are we doing here? What are we doing? Oh man, red squiggly lines. You never want to see red squiggly lines. I mean, something's gone horribly wrong. What's going on? Let's see. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, get to the point, mate. Shall we proceed? Yeah, create sign up API point. Okay. All right. Okay, can you update the
So
plan as you go along using Markdown to do syntax so we know what's what isn't? I mean, yeah. Oh, we got a comment from Shorts World. Does AI like work for more complex tasks? Let's say a random forest model or a very complicated statistical model of a financial market. Is that possibly by only giving instructions? Oh,
of
um,
course,
do you want to take this? Given your history on like ML and that sort of stuff. I mean, not to brag, but
absolutely, my
among
man. You
us we
need to
have
be.
Mr. Ibrahim Okhtadov on YouTube. You can definitely look him up. Oh, he's not showing up. Uh, okay, maybe if you use the quotes.
Not as
Ibrahim
popular anymore,
Okhtadov.
man.
It's not showing up. Yo, what's going
They're
on?
not as popular as they used to be.
You fell off.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait, wait, wait. Oh, there he is. There he is. 1.94K followers. So it's basically all Flutter videos and then some random
I see you.
some random live stream.
Yeah,
All right, so not to brag, but my man Ibrahim did a bunch of very, very popular videos, as you can see, 38K
and
views
9
right
years
here
ago.
on OpenCV. So he's OG. I mean, random forests. Like he knows random forests like the back of his hand. So I'll let you take
If
this,
that's
okay? Well, how
yeah,
about you
what's
go
the
ahead
question
and
again?
hit this one? By the way, thank you, Shorts World, for the comment. I mean, I'm gonna pin your message right here. Thank you for the comment. That's we appreciate any interaction that we get from anyone, you know? It doesn't matter. All right, you can go ahead and take the question then.
Yeah. Well, uh, I I don't think one should like complicate things. Well, AI pretty much can do anything and everything. So the shortest answer is yeah. So if you're talking about like random the random forest model, like uh, the concept itself is pretty, I'm not say primitive now, given AI has advanced massively, but it's one of the early models, so it can very well handle it. No biggie. Yeah,
All right.
it can handle mathematical progressions, whatever, project progressions, time based,
Oh,
even
whoa,
musical
whoa.
progressions, my man. Yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
we're throwing out some keywords there. Some
We need to appear sophisticated.
of course, of course. So Shorts World says, "Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go." Where we at? Why is it asking me? Ready to create? Bro, stop asking. Yes, let's go. I mean, that's the thing with
When I
Gemini.
was
Like, honestly,
I
Gemini's
was
always had this issue where it just has to constantly ask for permission. It's like the opposite of Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which just, does random crap all the time.
this is the thing with I was trying windsurf, and it's annoying in that sense. It keeps asking for every single thing that wants to do to the code. Like every time we just ask, do you want to apply this? Accept.
Windsurf does it too. Oh, yeah, it's like a
Yeah,
disease. It's like a baby that just keeps asking, do you want,
it's the
bro?
lack of confidence, my man. It's not very
Yeah,
confident of
yeah,
its
yeah. It's
output.
such a turn off. Yeah, it's like, ugh.
We
Why,
should
why
try the
would you?
background, man.
You should what?
Try the background feature
Background
of
thing?
Cursor.
Yeah, you would, but
Yeah,
I mean, you're basically saying
it
goodbye to
works.
the feedback loop. You know what I'm saying? It's like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it just it goes off on its own. If something goes wrong, you're not gonna find out until like I mean, background tasks can take up to like half an hour or an hour. So yeah, no, I do want to try the background thing, but ideally with something that's kind of well packaged, like something that's limited in scope and it's something you can define very easily. It's very straightforward. What is this?
So
Cre-
if it's let's test phase one then if it's already done.
Why is it telling me to address? Oh, okay. Restart TS server. Okay, let's do that. Oh, TS server? What is this? I can't restart. Command view action restart server not found. Okay, so I guess I don't have to restart anything? What's with all these errors, man? Cannot find. Oh, is it because it's not installed?
Prisma?
Did it install next off? I don't know, man. Like this should be installed. Uh, I guess just close VS Code and then open it again. Can't think of anything else to do. VS Code cursor. Yeah. Next auth. Oh, looks like we're good.
Well,
Yeah, we just had to restart the thing. Strange. Strange.
can you scroll down a little bit?
Google will be configured later. All right. Cool, cool. Oh no, we're getting it again. All right, all right, all right. Uh,
Yeah, click
okay.
click on next auth. I think there is a fix suggested by Cursor.
Yeah, it's gonna say you have
Fixing
to
cache.
install the thing. I thought it would have installed it. And I don't know which version. Next auth installation. Auth.js is the new one. So yeah, okay. Next auth just installs everything and then auth Prisma provider. So we got Prisma. Oh, this is legacy? What about not legacy? Which no longer for up to date, see version 4. Okay, prisoner. Bro, hello. Configuration, databases. If you'd like to persist, you need to install one of the many adapters yourself. Oh, Prisma? Ah, okay. All right. I mean, we already have Prisma client. That's gonna work regardless. I don't know. I don't know if it's using V4 or V5, like the latest auth.js thing. Auth.js is like the new way of doing things, but I actually have no idea which one it's using. So that's a bit concerning. Okay. Oh, whoa, we got all these comments from Shortswell. That's very interesting. I have no experience myself in programming, but I have built a script in Excel's VBA. Bro, VBA, you're OG, man, which automatically creates a market profile. However, you do need some knowledge. It took me about 2 weeks to create that. What a programmer would have done in 2 days. It's better than nothing, and I've been using it every day. I use Claude for it. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, man. I mean, VBA stuff, yeah. What were you
It's
building? I'm curious. What were you actually, what did you make in VBA, mate?
probably Microsoft Word or something.
No, VBA works across all Office. Um, but
Yeah,
yeah, I'm just curious, like what the guy actually made. What is this? We'll configure this in phase 2. All right. Bro, we got rid of the squiggly lines. That's good. That's good. All right, it's amazing. We just had to install the stuff. All right, let's go. Let's go. To truly wrap up, you might want to create a simple component. Bro, I'm not going to do that. Okay? We're not going to do that. Let's go. Let's go, mate. Please. All right, so he needs to update the plan. Let's see if he remembers to update the plan this time without me telling him. Understood. Let's create auth status to display user information. Okay, okay, okay. I'll place it. All right, very nice. Thank you. I don't think he updated the plan. He just completely forgot about updating the plan. Who cares about the expected timeline? Oh,
it
look at
did.
that. He updated
It
the
did
plan. That's
update the
it. That's
plan.
it. That's what I'm talking about. Phase 1 now complete according to our plan. Beautiful. Before moving to phase 2, resolve any type script. All right. Yeah, we fixed that. We fixed that issue, right? We don't have any more squiggly lines. Thoroughly test sign up, sign in with correct. I don't think it would work, right? Would it actually work? You think it would work? Can we test it now? Let's see. I mean, he's kind of like he's hinting at this actually working already. I would be surprised if it works. So we try to access dashboard. Uh, what? What about we just go straight to localhost? We just getting 400 errors here. What are you talking about, mate? Oh, port 3000 is in use. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, my bad. We already had it running. We need to shut down the old one and then start a new one.
Let
Okay,
me
all
get
right.
some coffee.
You getting some coffee? Oh yeah, that's it, man.
Done. Yeah, smoker.
Mocha. Is that something you cooked up yourself?
Yes, of course.
Oh, it's beautiful. It always tastes better when you do it. Oh, what is this?
Not
I didn't
really, it
install.
doesn't.
Man, it looks like the stuff that it actually did inside that embedded terminal thing in the beginning, it didn't actually run.
Yeah,
Looks like it didn't run. Supposed to start a new chat now. Let me know when you're ready for phase 2. I think we'll do phase
yeah,
2 in a
start
new
a new
chat.
chat.
That's what we need to do. Ditch the schema, ditch design and context. We don't need all that stuff. We don't need main either. Uh, okay, let's do phase 2 now.
This is gonna be a tricky one.
Make sure to update the plan when as you progress. I was gonna write Postgres. As you postgress. All right, so what's going on here? Let's see. All right, so 3000 does nothing, but when we hit the dashboard, what's going to happen? This is the crucial moment. Let's see what happens. Do we get redirected to some sort of auth page? No, we just get let it just lets us right through. That's
How
not
good.
supposed to happen, actually. Okay. So apparently it did hit API auth session. Huh. It's weird, man. Okay. Let's try again. Maybe because we market profile, it's a tool for analyzing markets, a pretty good one. It's a premium everywhere, hence I made it myself. Good luck to your stuff as well. Bro, speaking of market profile, where'd you get the data from? Where'd you get the data from? Hmm, that's very cool. Because man, like financial data, that's really hard. Do you have a Discord community? Um,
Soon, my man, soon.
bro, I'm digging the interactions here. Gabrielle, we don't have one. Do you think we should? We don't have one. Do you think we should? What what would we do there? I mean, I know all the cool kids have like Discord stuff going on, but frankly, I've never actually used the thing, so I mean, I'm not caught up on like what people actually do there. I think they vibe. They vibe. That's
Yeah.
probably what they do.
They vibe
What?
and hang. I got this new croissant, new flavor
Oh, wow.
that comes with Nutella inside. Dude,
Oh,
this thing
dear.
rocks.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
wow.
amazing.
That's great.
Yeah, I feel like code is up in my stomach now.
Oh.
Um, it comes naturally with the croissant.
All right, so I'm not sure if I should tell it like the thing is not working, but I don't know. Like, did it actually enforce the middleware thing? There's supposed to be some sort of
Can
middleware,
you
right?
can you navigate to auth sign just like to see if it's actually implemented?
Auth sign?
Yeah,
Oh,
the
so we
URL.
go auth, sign in. Oh, okay. That looks
Watch
super
this.
minimal. I've never seen such a minimal auth page before.
Can you check the plan again? I just want to see something.
So auth, sign in page.
Sign.
What kind of rubbish is this, man? Sign in page contents. Return sign in form. What's
It's very
going on?
minimal.
Yeah, I'm not sure what it's doing, man. I don't know what's going on. Uh, don't have an account to sign up. I mean, there's not even like an input. Oh, there is an input. Okay. All right. That's interesting. Confirm password. Okay. All right. I mean, guess, technically it's like a page, right? Name.
I'll
Let's
try
go
to
with
add something.
your name.
I think it just likes the
All right.
integration.
Password. Password. I wonder if it's actually gonna. Oh, created successfully. Did it?
Successfully.
Oh, there it is.
Hmm.
Wow. Okay. All right. But the problem is, like, if you hit dashboard,
Yeah, it's not
okay, so
integrated.
it's
I
missing the
think it
middleware.
just
Um,
yeah.
so before we do phase two, before we do phase two, um, make sure to protect the dashboard route since any user can open it right now. Okay, let's see if it can fix that up. And also, like I don't know, maybe it's missing, like the thing is missing any basic styling. So like, why does it look like that? Um, I mean, we have a layout, we have global CSS, so it should be loading these things by default. It's pretty minimal, but if you're loading those things, maybe it's not using the. Oh, it looks like middleware doesn't exist. I'll create it. Oh, now unauthenticated users trying to access any path will be redirected. Oh, okay. All right, let's give it a shot. So refresh. Let's see if that. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Now we're in business.
All right, so if I do, I forgot what the name of the user was, some at user.com with password and try to sign in. Oh, wow.
It's low.
Bro, we got authentication going. Oh, beautiful. This is amazing. Oh, I did not expect that. Amazing. Phase two, my friend. Let's go.
It's a bit.
Let's go.
Tell it
Please
to
update the plan.
embed the design, the general design.
You what?
To use the general design that currently exists,
And the whole design thing is complete rubbish. So I think we need to take
work on it next year. Look at
a
it.
serious stab at fixing the design. Why does it have a pages directory? Man, that's never a good sign. That means it doesn't know what it's doing. Next off dot D and then components. Oh, why is components not inside app? Oh, okay. Okay, I mean, I guess that's okay, but pages is off. Like pages should be inside. Oh man, okay.
App.
Yeah, did it
Yeah,
start?
shouldn't be inside of app.
Yeah, it should definitely be inside app. I'm
Why
not sure what's going
why is
on.
it out
Yeah, that's
on
the
the same
question.
level of
Maybe that's why the style is just complete rubbish. So no, but it's an API route. So basically what we need to do is drag it inside API. So take the auth directory from here and put it
inside?
inside API. And then is there anything else left here? No. So we can delete it. Oops. Think I deleted the wrong thing. Okay. We'll move auth inside API, and then we should delete the pages directory. Okay. All right. So that should be okay. Oh, dear. We deleted the migrations folder. I knew I deleted something by mistake. Man, it always happens. The migrations folder. Good thing I saved it. I mean, I committed it before doing that horrible mistake. So,
The
yeah,
Prisma
so
migration.
we'll just add the whole thing now. So, working, login, protected routes. So I guess the remaining stuff is going to be like adding Google sign in, fixing up the styling, basic stuff.
Yeah, it's
Do you want
pretty
me to
much done,
proceed,
I think.
or would you like to set up Google credentials first? Google client ID, Google client secret. All right, we'll do that. We'll do that now.
Here's the question though.
Oh,
Do
bro,
we
we
have
get an
to
engagement.
add it?
You what?
Do you think we have to add the Google Auth for the MVP?
Google auth for MVP?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Like,
think
should
totally, man.
we?
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty
Yeah.
quick. It actually doesn't take long, especially if you've already got an app set up. So I already have one that we can use for this purpose. It's like a generic one. So it shouldn't take long, probably another 5 minutes. Also cool to have a community overall. Makes the streams more interactive because while streaming on YouTube, you could be streaming on Discord so people can join and talk. Okay, all right. Okay, that's what it does. Hey, I just got off an 8 hour vibe coding
Whoa,
live stream. Oh
eight
my God.
hours, dude.
Bro, is this guy serious? 8 hours?
Submotive, man.
No way. Wait, 8 hours? No way. We should check out his channel. Go to channel. Live stream, 8 hours. Oh my God.
Whoa,
8 hours, 33 minutes. Look at this crazy man. Oh wow, 11.
12 hours.
Oh wow. Man, this guy
So
is
that was 20 hours ago. Do you even sleep?
what is going on, mate? He doesn't even have a face.
Right? So different services
Solid
is
stuff,
optimized for
man.
the user.
Oh wow, this guy's the real deal, my friend. This guy's the real deal. Oh wow. But where'd the video go, mate?
Where the tide kisses the land.
Interesting. Oh, he's using Next.js too. Oh man, this guy's crazy. Very
Hold
cool.
on, hold on.
Very,
What's the cursor? Is that cursor?
yeah, it looks like cursor. Oh, yeah. No. Chat and augment? What is that? Chat and augment. That looks weird. I don't have that here. There's no chat augment. Maybe this is VS Code. I think it's just straight VS Code. Yeah, probably. Cool, very cool. I've done 12 plus. Yeah, oh my God. Bro, get some sleep. Get some sleep.
Yeah, VS Code. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a VS Code Okay, all right. VS, yeah, just straight VS Code, man. I mean, bro, Cursor ain't cheap. I mean, I don't know. Like, I feel like
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
Windsurf is 10 a month. Cursor is 20 a month, and that's without paying for all of the extras. Mm. So up until
The
recently, I would
chat
just do, man,
models,
we would just do max
different
mode on
models.
everything. It was nuts. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, we were paying like some serious cash to the Cursor guys. But yeah, last month was like 250 bucks. That's the limit. I think we spent like 200.
Yeah, you went over the limit.
Yeah, it went nuts. It was just like max mode everything, man. But now I feel like with Google, maybe you should try max mode, you know? Maybe we
No, you
should
don't
try
have to,
max mode.
mate.
I feel like,
There's no
maybe it
use in
doesn't
max mode,
stop
man.
as often, right? It doesn't stop as often, like double check everything. I feel like with max mode, it's it's like you hire a guy in a suit, you know? You're not just hiring like I don't know how to finish that sentence without
Usually all coders
insulting
don't wear
some
suits, man.
some group of
Yeah, yeah,
people.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's
okay. All
let's
right.
keep it PG 13.
Let's focus, mate. All right. So Google sign in, we need to set up uh credentials.
We need the
Uh
secrets.
next auth. Okay. All right. This should be quick. This should be so we're gonna set a timer for this. And it's probably gonna be 5 minutes. Okay. Or we're gonna do 5 minutes. If it takes more than 5 minutes, something went wrong. Okay, I'm on the wrong page. All right. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see.
We need the secrets and the client ID
Yeah, yeah, mine the secrets, right? Next auth, Google sign in.
off
Okay,
screen.
there we go. So, all right, all right, all right. That's what we need. I'm gonna open this off to the side just so that I'm not revealing all the
Any secrets?
secrets.
Go for it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I shielded the viewers from that, but it was a strong one. Okay. All right.
Was.
Okay, what are we
Okay,
doing?
let's go mod.
So I don't know what we're doing here, man. But okay, so we're running out of time. Let's see. OAuth 2 client IDs, is that what we need? All right, so for production, blah, 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 for development, okay. Uh, okay, APIs credentials, that's what we got here. Um, Google client ID and then Google. Okay, I don't understand what this stuff means. Okay, so maybe we need to read this. Using OAuth 2. Okay, all right. We need web. Yeah, it sounds like this is the one we need. Web. So we just create credentials, uh, OAuth client ID, I assume, and then web. Yes. Uh, what project? Okay, rank first. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna do this for production. It's gonna be rank first. Rank first. Oh, actually bought the domain, by the way, right? What is it saying? Must contain a path or end with what? Hello? There's nothing wrong with this path. Is there anything wrong with it? Must not contain a path or end with oh, must not. Okay. What? Oh, without what, you don't like that? Okay. Ah, okay. All right. And then maybe we can do localhost as well. Oh, that's the redirect URL. That's what we needed. So rank first dot co slash, and then we'll do this one too. Bro, we're running out of time. I'm getting stressed here. All right. We got this. We got this. So create. Oh my God, we exposed the secrets. Oh dear me. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. All right, we'll just we'll create another one. That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna create another one and then uh we need to add Google client ID equals and then Google's secret, Google client secret. Okay. Yo, where'd you go, man? Oh, we lost you there. Create a client, but expose the secret, so I had to create another one. Just real quick. All right, all right, all right. Okay, done. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so what do we need to do now? I guess just go back and tell it, all right, we're done. Okay. Bro, that was like 4 minutes. We didn't even need to, we didn't even need the 40 seconds. So add necessary environment variables, update. Okay, done. Added the envars. Let's go. Let's go. 3 days ago, we bought this 12 years ex-Apple engineer start vibe coding a project for an event we're running. Oh, very interesting, Gabriel. Very interesting. Do say more. Do say more. Hey, Gabriel. Well, I'm really feeling the vibe here. I feel like, this interaction just takes it to the next level.
Yeah, man, it feels good.
Say more.
But what's the
Why do you have a weird echo going on? Sounds like,
I changed my mic,
oh, was that supposed to be some sort of upgrade?
kind of battery dead.
Oh, the battery died. Okay. All right. That
Yeah,
happens. Bro, I'm
like
switching to
battery on my
Max.
headphones
I'm
or
switching to
something.
Max. I mean, this is ridiculous. I feel like we're spending way too much time on this. All right, so refine user experience. All right, has been added. Okay, here's the updated plan. Refine user. Next up is refining. Before we dive into, have you had a chance to check the Google sign-in flow? Oh, that's a good idea. Let's test it out. So Oh, we got an internal server error? What's that about?
Refresh maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Because, oh, it's looking for pages. Oh, it's looking for pages.
Oh,
Oh, why are you referencing pages? Oh, ah,
oh,
in it's got references to pages inside. Oh dear, inside the spec. So that's why it's getting messed up. App auth. Where else are you referencing pages? Okay, that's it. I think we're good. Okay, cool. So,
must be stored.
but that wasn't code. I mean, that was just I don't know if that definitely wouldn't have created the internal error that we were experiencing. Let's see. Let's just do a refresh. I mean, that solves like half the problems. Just a straight refresh. I really hope this works. I mean, I just closed the 5 minute timer really quickly, but I think there's probably like a 50% chance it doesn't work. And I think I'm being generous. Let's see. Internal server error. I mean, it's like we're going back, man. Compiling dashboard. Okay. I'm getting there. It's just taking a little bit of time. It's okay.
It's
Gives us a
slower than
chance
it
to
should.
reply to the call. It's like a six devs, one project. Each day, one dev does a 2 hour session of Vibe. The next day, other dev continues where they don't talk with each other, so they have to learn the project every time. Zero to market, 7 days launch. Oh, the goal is
Education.
education. All right. So it's some sort of
So Gabriel, have
weird,
you
it's like a
so have
weird
you
vibe
pushed?
coding cult or something. That's what it sounds like.
So that means you guys have pushed something out, so something in production.
Well, I guess like day
You
seven,
should
it's
share
supposed
some
to.
love.
3 days ago, we bought this 12 years ex-Apple engineer to start vibe coding. Okay, so which day are you on? Which day are we on now?
3 days ago.
I'm guessing day, like, I don't know if he started on day one. Like maybe it
You should
was,
share some love, some projects you guys have made.
yeah, indeed. Fourth. Oh, we're on the fourth day, bro. Day
Oh,
seven. We should upvote, bro. Definitely drop by. Are we streaming then? We're streaming on Tuesday, so that would be
yeah,
day six.
every
Huh.
other day.
So day seven, we're not going to be streaming. He's going to be launching on Product Hunt. We're not going to be able to like help push it up,
Nice.
you know? Huh. Well, anyway, drop by, bro. Drop by Tuesday when we stream again. We'll upvote.
PDF medical translator.
Is that what he's doing? Oh, it's a
Yeah,
PDF medical translator for travelers.
travelers. It's nice that it's niche, travelers.
Yeah, it does sound niche. Does sound super niche. What are we doing? Auth sign in. Yeah, we're gonna try. Oh, there we go. We got that Google sign in button, man. Well, there's no sign out, right? Have we tried sign out? No, it doesn't exist.
Uh, well, they don't have
How
to
are we
sign
supposed to
out once
sign
they
out?
sign in.
Yeah.
It's okay for
Yeah.
MVPs.
It's like before cursor, you sign into an application,
Yeah,
that's it. There's no signing
that's
out.
it. There is.
You signed in for life, right? But you can do sign out by just clearing application cache. I mean, there we go. Oh, what happened? It broke. Why is it going to
Go
API?
back.
Is it supposed to go to API? Oh, it's supposed to go to auth.
We set it to good API just now.
Oh,
So
did
that's why
we?
it was pages. It was
Wait, we broke it? API slash auth? Oh, so this is supposed to be. Oh man, why do we have two auth
why do we
directories?
have two? I think it created another one.
Oh, okay. We just got to move it inside API.
Just go for it, man.
No,
Go for
but
it.
But we did like the first time around, we just hit auth sign in, right?
But
Not
it was,
API auth.
I think it was in the group though.
I don't know, man. This is weird. Like, no, this is right. Yeah, you're supposed to have an auth directory and then sign in, and I don't know why it's getting redirected to API auth sign in. API auth sign in. Sign in, auth sign in. We'll create in phase three. Oh, okay. It's gonna create some sort of custom page, I think. Maybe. All right. We're not at phase three yet, so that's okay. Anyway, let's try sign in with Google. Oh man, API auth error. No man, no man. Sign in with Google just hits. Problem is, you don't even know what the error is. Do we see logs here? There's nothing, man. Doesn't give us anything. Oh, it's trying to access API auth session. That doesn't
Not
give us.
found.
Bro, I think I messed up something when I moved the files.
You
API
should think about
auth.
it. You should think about
Didn't
it
think
for a
about it.
second. So we
When
have,
it's
hold
off,
on, there
we
is
still
app API. Let's see what's in it.
app API.
Yeah, auth. See, there are two auths there. There's
Yeah,
that
I
one, and there
know.
is the one.
One is API auth, and then one is auth. The auth is just the pages, and then there's API auth, which is the next auth handles API
So,
auth.
so yeah, we should have them all be, I think, the same folder, and then just have it update the links, update the paths.
Figure out why it's not working. Yeah, I mean, basically, I'm telling it, maybe just displaying the error messages would be a good idea so that we at least know what's not working. API. Bro, I did the whole credentials thing. What is this? Okay, that's a common issue. The generic often hides the actual problem. Let's improve error display. Create a custom error. All right. Could you clarify which router you're using? Where I create the error page? Don't use don't use pages. Use app. This should be so obvious. I don't know why I need to explain that to him. Like you can just read from the context. Why would you go create a whole pages directory and put the stuff in there? Running it on our Discord, which we plan to be the biggest Vibe community, but they are also streaming the sessions on their socials. So we're running these events before officially launch the community while we build it on. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I don't actually know what this means, but good luck, man. Good luck. I mean, it seems the guy is pretty passionate about community. I'm definitely feeling that, right? He's going off about community. I mean, that's good for him. Got it. App router it is. Seems my previous tool call found Pages API? Yeah, forget about Pages API, mate. Forget about that. Before creating the error page, let's confirm where you're not. Hmm, okay.
It should find it now.
Seems it was interrupted. So much for authentication being a quick thing, man. I mean, it wasn't going to be a one shot, but at least just we're close. There's no need to sort of slip into this whole negative depressed thing, right? right, so option one, before we create custom, we should address this structure. Uh, okay, option one, definitely. Option one. Let's go. Is this supposed to be max? Man, I don't feel a difference. I feel like it's getting dumber, actually.
It still asks you questions though. It still pauses for every
Yeah. Like, what's
question.
the point? Why are we paying the extra bucks? Running it on Discord, which you plan to. Did we already address this? For the people who miss it, we're going to transform every session. Yeah, good luck, man. Good luck. All right, all right, all right. By the way, guys, I mean, where are my likes here? I mean, we're looking at one like. Sorts World, my
Oh,
man. We pinned your comment. I mean, that's the least you could do is just, leave a like. We're not asking for much
oh,
here.
that was a good run though, man.
Yeah. Oh, error.
Oh,
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. What a stupid error message. I've never seen anything so useless. Well, it seems there is
big.
a syntax error. Missing semicolon. Okay. Manually change line 56. It's a simple colon addition. Oh, okay.
65.
Something wrong with the escaping. Okay, I've updated, blah, blah. All right. Implement appropriate redirects. Hmm. So we haven't been able to get the sign-in working. Maybe we should just go back and try again. Oh, please try again. Error code unidentified. Okay, so we'll go back to the sign-in page and then try to sign in with Google again. Oh, bro.
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about. This is
We
very nice.
got some love.
Oh, crap. We're using, no, I don't think we want to use MN Invest as the name of the app. Like, I'll try a different set of credentials. Um, no, no, we're not going to use that, man. Like, okay, no. I'll use a different one. One called MLAI. I think we can use that. Then we just have to paste the URLs. Okay, and then authorize redirect URIs. This is going to
There's some
be,
rules.
oh yeah, go for it. the callback. Okay. And then we got localhost 2. All right, let's create that. And I'm just going to move this over to the side just so that I can update the environment variables without exposing them. So Google client ID, all right, and then Google client secret. All right, cool, cool, cool. So now I should be able to just refresh, and it should work. So, oh, do we need to reload this? Probably, right? State cookie was missing. All right, let's try it again. So we just hit auth sign in. Well, actually, what we could do is we could hit dashboard first, get redirected back. Okay. All right. It's coming to the correct address, by the way. That's beautiful. All right. Then we can sign in with Google. This time it says I'm an AI. Very nice. Sign in. All right. Let's go. And then we come back to, do you think it'll work? Oh, wow. Bro. Sign in with
Sweet
Google is
love.
working. Unbelievable. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And then we can check here. There's our new user.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
that's
Oh,
massive love, my
wow.
friend.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. Enhance authentication.
Enhance.
Google sign in worked. Implement
Kudos.
appropriate redirects after login, log out, and then ensure user data is correctly handled and stored. I'm not sure what it's going to do now. Like what's left in the plan. Let's see. Uh, where's the actual plan? Okay, so we got phase 1 taken care of. And then, oh, it's saying test Google sign in and account linking. If a user signs up with email, then tries Google with the same email. Oh, it's checking out like
Oh,
all
nice.
the edge cases here. That's pretty
Sweet
good.
vibe.
That's pretty good.
That's good. Tush tush.
What's that about tush tush?
That, that's good. Tush tush. What?
Uh,
Yeah.
all right, no comments. I mean, we got 0 viewers. Was
But
was that
man,
you? Was that you
the
viewing
yes,
the
yes.
okay, all right. Okay.
But that was a
Um,
really good run, man. Like people coming in,
lots of engagement
from
from Shorts World here.
the
That's very
short
good.
sword and Gabriel.
Yeah,
There, yeah.
Gabriel as well, definitely. And then NDO AI, working on his own thing. VS Code plus Augment. Oh, he mentioned Augment. I was like, okay, well, all
Yeah.
right. VS Code plus Augment. Wonder what, have you tried this Augment thing?
No.
Yeah, me neither. Never heard of it.
Yeah.
Currently, your sign-in form redirects the callback URL. Okay. Or log out. Okay. What are your desired? After login, always go to dashboard. Yeah, yeah. The current callback URL handles the latter. Okay, after logout, always go to the home page or to the sign-in page. After login, um, callback URL or dashboard if not specified. Bro, I think this is great. Like, we should update the plan. If we should be using plan Max for the. Bro, why can't I just change? Okay, what's next? Are we ready to move on? It's saying task 3 was add user feedback, implement client side. Okay, we've done some. Style auth pages to match application look and feel. Oh, okay. All right. So it's going to be more like some design stuff. Here's the updated plan. A lot of okay. Accept file. Whoa. That is great progress, man. I'm pretty happy with this. Google sign in working. That's beautiful. All right. So next, auth sign in. We already have that. Add user feedback. So this stuff is already done. Add user feedback, style to match application. Okay, maybe we do that next. Let's do phase 3. Update the file with progress, please. Okay.
Should we give it like a design to match?
What? Who asked it to mark it as complete? Okay, let's do phase 3. No, I think it should be able to pick it up from the rest of the site. Are still pending. You can use ShadCN components and design similar to rest of the site. All right, so it's done. Let's take a look. Oops. Crap. What is this? Can we use Lucy? Cannot resolve components icons. All right, so this is fine, but when we clear the application and then reload
Yes.
dashboard, you're not gonna be able to access that. Okay. All right. Okay. How do you like that? Do you prefer this?
Well, the color is a bit. It's nice that it's using the template, but the black is. Oh, it looks like it's dull somehow.
Hmm. Okay, you're a tough customer, huh? You're a tough customer to please. I see what you mean.
There is no vibe. Like it's.
It just
I
looks
don't know.
generic.
Yes, yes. It looks like it's a sales. I don't know, site or something.
Hmm. I see.
CMS or I don't know, customer management,
Yeah. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. All right.
Salesforce.
Okay. Where do
Needs
we
more
have already
time.
had count twice? I don't think we need it twice. It's already in there. So you don't need to have like, okay. But I actually think the Shadcyan issue is um what was I gonna say? You still there? Oh, it looks like you got muted.
Oh, it's just the wind, so I didn't want to create because on the live I can hear noise.
You can hear noise, yes. Oh, I see.
Mm.
That's very considerate of you for
I want their viewers
the
to get the
viewers
best and utmost experience.
of considerate. That is beautiful. All right. Yeah, so we can sign in. Let's see if sign in with Google. I mean, yeah, okay. All right. This is good.
Yeah,
This is good. I
there
like it.
is some love.
It's definitely, oh, it just signs in so beautifully. Signs in.
JD,
This is very beautiful sign in. The sign in form uses search parameters, which requires a suspense boundary. Okay. All right. I don't know why it needed. All right, so code is correct. Yeah, it's all good. All good. Just update the dashboard so it shows signed in user in the nav bar and a sign out button when you click on the avatar. Okay. I mean, that would be a nice little. This is great.
touch.
Yeah. I mean, we're
Yeah,
done. We're basically done. You know,
I just need
design
to
wise,
update
I
the
think there's
colors.
something to be desired, but I feel like that's more of a symptom of, crappy design for the whole site. Um, and yeah, just something we'll fix. We'll definitely fix.
We should set a timer for it. so that we don't get dragged into
Yeah,
the
you're right.
beauty of, yeah.
You gotta time box it. You gotta time box it. Yeah, you're right. Layout header? What is all this, man? Well, that's a big
It's
change.
making a big change.
That is huge. Where is that supposed to go? All pages will now display the header? What? Bro.
Oh,
Oh my God. Wow.
we're
But I
loving it.
wasn't. Why? Why do we
Hold
need
on,
two
what?
headers though?
There are two headers. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Should
Amazing.
merge them into one header.
But now we
Wow.
have two headers on dashboard. Two heads. Hmm.
I like it when it says, "Oh yeah, that happens because of this and this and this." It's like it knows that the error is there, but you go like, "What did you just fix it? Or do I have to point it out?"
Might need to be relocated if they are essential. For now, I'll remove the entire header block. What? Remove the local header? Are you stupid?
The queue is gone.
Bro, are you stupid? We need the local header. Drop your crappy new header. Merge, no, merge your crappy new header with the existing local one,
They
please.
say don't be mean to AI because it can backfire when it becomes very professional. It will remember you and hunt you down and seek revenge.
I've heard that point of view before, but I do say please and thank you. So I hope it will take that into consideration. It's
Nope.
nothing personal. Now let's modify
It is
local
personal.
header. I'll integrate. Oh, okay. It's doing all that cool stuff. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's amazing. I mean, it's
What we're
definitely
hoping for.
doing a good job.
Now, this gets me thinking about something.
Yeah.
So, we started off with an A10, and then eventually we went back to code. Like, what's the point of an A10?
For this project, we weren't sure that we could actually do it.
Yeah. No, I feel
So
like any project you push out to the public, to people basically, can't use an A10 because you require login unless you go obviously for super base, I think, and maybe an A10 will work. But other than that, an A10 may not work for complex projects like this one.
no, I actually think NAN could have worked for this. Um, the only problem is
But
like it's UI heavy. Like you had a
persistent,
lot of back and forth.
yeah.
So you come up with a list of you come up with like you scrape the site, you collect the website name, and then you have to scrape it, and then you have to. What happened? What is this? Go on. It didn't actually make the edit. This is so stupid. It just gave up halfway through.
You hurt its feelings. You should tell it sorry.
Yeah, so like this project, there was if we didn't have the user review steps, we could easily have done it with any ad. And then we
But
just send a
it will be
webhook, and then you
also,
get like articles, and that's it.
yeah, but the way you persist the states of the blogs, articles, and all that, that would create a complication, wouldn't it, with anything?
The way you do the articles.
Yeah, when you persist the articles in the database, and keep tracking of what's been done and what's not.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, NAN can connect to the database, so that's not an issue.
Yeah, but back, like, you log in, you persist which state the user is in. That will require more work than,
Yeah, but
like, it's easier
actually,
with
like,
code.
so the thing I do use NAN for is, the daily notification email for domains.
Yeah,
Like, I feel like
yes,
that's
yeah,
perfect for an NAN because there's no UI. There's no
yes.
UI. You just do stuff in the background. So yeah, it just works really well for that.
It's like linear one way.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. This is nice. Now
Yeah,
it's
now we're
okay.
talking.
Now they both work. That's the dashboard. Okay, it looks good. Actually, no need to tell it looks good or it'll screw something else up. Let's just commit. Oops, the sign out doesn't work. Oh, that's because the it goes to the root path, which doesn't exist. Yeah, yeah, okay.
Nice.
Bro, this is awesome. So we're done with that. I think authentication is just completely done.
Out of the way. Yes.
Yep.
I
So
think we
we're
need to
gonna,
test the whole flow, like the complete flow, like generate articles, blah blah blah.
yeah. We still have quite a bit left to do though. The posts view. I mean, you're not gonna be able to see the posts. Those wouldn't have been affected by the authentication because like authentication protects the
Dashboard.
oh, actually maybe it does. Do we still have hard-coded mock customer? Oh, we still have that here. Get current customer ID. Do we use libauth?
But it's available in the database.
Oh man, we have it here. Get current customer ID from libauth. We didn't even fix that. It's still using the mock customer. Okay, well we'll switch to a new chat. Okay, now we just need to update to return the actual customer ID, not the mock one. And then just mention libauth. Uh, what is this, phase three? How does it, I don't know how it knows. Alrighty. Okay, so let's update blah blah blah. Get server session. Okay.
It sends user ID.
Yeah, looks good. Which should work here. Okay, so now I'm logged in with this user, which wait, how does it
Okay,
know?
so
How does it know you're using Google? It doesn't mention that anywhere. Probably account? Oh, this one.
um,
Just a bunch of token stuff. Okay, okay, okay. All right, um so we can kill that and then keep the mock customer ID.
no customer ID has some data.
Yeah.
Shit, okay.
Um
So
okay,
now we
so
should
now
do
we can
both.
do the end-to-end testing. We just have to submit a site
Yeah.
now. We can just do mint.ph here. So now it would submit the website. Oh, what was the problem? Error starting workflow.
Valley, Prisma.
Hmm. Can I submit a website for crawling? It's there. Good thing we tested it out, huh?
Yeah,
Good call, mate. Good call.
I think so. The data database is referring to the customer ID of Mock. Yeah.
Oh, really? Is that gonna fix it? Get current customer ID needs to be okay. So open this. Okay, so fix all references, maybe. How do I paste that? All right, man. Oh, it says encoding overloaded. Bro, we're at the 2 hour mark already. No breaks. Unbelievable. But now that you compare it to that guy's 12-hour stream, it's like, oh, whatever. You know? What's 2 hours?
Yeah, 12 hours is
But he kind
massive,
of
man.
cheated a little bit, didn't he? He cheated a little bit because his face is not showing, first of all. And then secondly, like half the time, there's just darkness. You don't even know what's going on. He's just typing away on his computer. So I kind of get like
But
maybe
still,
for
it's 12
privacy
hours, man.
reasons. Yeah, yeah.
Probably.
I'm not throwing shade at the guy. I'm definitely a supporter. But
Yeah,
yeah, just
we're just community.
throwing shade. All right, cool. So what are we doing? What are we doing? Let's try this again.
Let's
Let's see
try
what's
again.
going on.
Let's try it one more time.
Oh, that failed. No
That
existing
started
workflows.
started the
Oh
workflow.
man, we're getting the same crap, man. Customer with ID from auth not found. Ah, oh, that's because because I changed this, man. Like I messed with the auth. Man, like I think the right way to do this would be to just delete it. Like we'll just clear site data. We'll sign out entirely and start fresh. I don't think we have anything on here anyway. Everything is empty except this maybe. Oh, that got deleted too. Cool. So we just refresh. All right. Sign in with Google. I wonder if sign in with Google when you're not signed up still works. Probably does, right? Yeah, it does. It just works.
That
It's
works.
beautiful. So let's see if this works. Oh, I see a website. Oh, I see us
Nice.
extracting business information. Notice how we didn't need to extract information. It just automatically did it for us. Oh, you can edit the thing. I mean, that's beautiful. Pages, blog posts, geography, discerning clients.
Can we edit? Are you sure?
I don't think you can. It just redoes it. Oh, edit. It said simulation. Oh, edit doesn't work. You can't edit. Whatever.
You should
Okay.
remove
Yeah.
those. Yeah.
All right. I really need a toilet break, man.
Go for it.
Oh, look at that. These beautiful
Beautiful
suggestions.
keywords.
Oh man. Come on, guys.
What is this?
What is this rubbish? Each child in a list. Okay, I'm just gonna send it through. Why aren't the keywords shown? And then maybe we give it the logs. I don't know if it needs the logs. It doesn't need the logs. It'll figure it out. Doesn't need to do either. It'll figure it out. All right, I'll leave it. I'll be right back.
Alrighty.
Can't hear you, Mike.
Oh, I don't think.
Still can't hear you.
I don't think.
Good.
Hello?
It took a second to connect. Can you hear me now?
Now we can hear you. Yeah.
Alrighty. Lovely. What were we doing here? Let's see. All right. Blah, blah, blah. Based on, we can determine the next steps. Let me know what the logs show. What? Apply similar changes. What is this? I'll apply this change. Why is it asking me to apply? Each child should have a unique prop to debug the no text. Okay. Where's this supposed to go? I don't know what it's doing, man. What do you do with this rubbish? Am I supposed to test it? Hmm. Now it's working. Why are they all showing 10 monthly searches? Oh, this one's 30. Okay. I feel like the keywords are rubbish. Don't you think the keywords are rubbish?
Well,
Oh, 170 here. 170 and then 30. But the rest are rubbish. What is all that? Where's the... Okay. How many iterations did it do? Total, so total valuable is 41. And then why is it only showing these? We're supposed to have 40 keywords. Why is it only these? Does it only take the top 10? This is how many? 6, 12, 13. There's only 13 keywords.
I think
Why?
it's showing the relevant ones, maybe.
But we got 41. Uh, is that part of the workflow? It just filters to the most prominent ones? Maybe. So keywords. Yeah, keywords, extract keywords. And then, well, maybe we need to look at service, workflow services, keywords, get keywords for title. Okay. Generate keywords. Draft 40 to 60 unique keywords. Mix broad and narrow, exclude duplicates. Okay, respond with a JSON object that has keyword ideas. And then it goes broader and narrower. Okay. Final system prompt. Oh, okay. Sort the final list, then by descending score. Return exactly one JSON object. Do not include the score. To best 50 keywords. So it should be returning 50 keywords. right. Thing is, you only have 13 listed here, so clearly something went wrong. I don't know if it's here. How many do you have here? 13. Okay. So you only have 13 in the
So
database.
out of the 40 or 42, it selected 13 with the
Yeah.
highest, the top.
But I don't know if it's top. I hope it's top. I mean, if you look at the ideas that they have, I mean, some of these are
Check
very
out,
general. These are super
check out,
general. So I imagine they would have even more.
check out the LLM suggested new IDs like the prompt, um, the log.
What?
Let's search for processing 30 keyword ideas. Total, yeah, that one,
Yeah.
and then see what happens from there. This is an output like console.log, yeah?
Reach. Yeah, yeah. So reach target of 40 keywords.
Yeah, let's see where in the code that one is. Let's see what changed after that. Okay. Search volume, yeah. It's looking for search volume. That's how it's, ignoring the rest for maybe.
No, this is for the next batch. But I think, let's see, where's the part where it exits? Oh, I think this is the final system prompt. So it makes one last prompt and passes in like all of the
Limits
keywords.
limits the outputs to the best 50. Calculate score. Score.
Uh, Maybe we can do before after so we can actually see the keywords we had like before and after because I feel like we're wasting API requests on this. I mean, these are expensive API requests, and then we're just throwing them away. Um, we don't even like use up all the data, and we don't know that the ones that actually make it through are the best keywords. It's such a waste. It's ridiculous. Why would we do it this way? Maybe we need to. I mean, look here. You have how many attempts did it do? It started with these, and then it did a second iteration with these, and then third iteration, 30 valuable keywords. So, oh, it didn't show the iteration 3 keywords, new ideas. It's weird, it's not showing the whole thing.
I mean, it's getting cropped off, but
LLM
like,
suggested new ideas. Why is
so
that
these are
not showing?
generic ones. New ideas, yeah. That's fine.
Maybe we just need to debug, man. Like we could just
Yeah.
run the same thing, but just add debug
So I feel like
points.
the prompt is filtering things out.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I think that's definitely what's going on. So let's what should we do? We should just debug it. You know, we'll debug it and see.
All right. Regenerate,
You what?
regenerate, or
Yeah, I think regenerate should work. Or maybe we should just delete it and then regen. I don't know. We'll try regenerate. If that doesn't work, we'll start it from scratch. All right, refresh. Okay. Okay.
13.
So regenerate. So it hit keywords. That's expected. All right, there we go. Cool. So
Five activations.
yeah. So initial prompt is gonna happen here. Okay. So let's play. Initial result. All right, so the initial result is the core themes are blah, 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 and then it parses them. Okay. Okay. So keyword ideas, it got 38 keyword ideas. And then what does it do next? Okay, then it
Check for
says
iteration number.
it's iterating. So it's doing SEMrush batch SEO lookup. And then it finds the ones with, it's interesting that it does it 5 times. Like, why would it do it 5 times? That's weird. Okay, so play. Is going to be 0 initially. All right. And then it says refine system prompt, core themes, and then customer, geography. Okay. And then existing keywords string is empty. Previously generated keyword ideas.
38.
Keywords that had data, some may be good, some not. Okay. Generate some new keywords. So it came with more generic ones. Okay.
30. So it should be 68 in total.
And so now the 30, it's going to retrieve the SEMrush data for. Okay. And then 14 of those are actually valuable.
So which is why we had 14, 13.
I don't think it's keeping track of all the previously generated ones. That's probably the problem. It's not keeping track of it. Ah, what do we do about that? Not keeping track of,
Of the previously generated ideas, the 38.
yeah, it's a bit of a problem.
So we don't want it to ignore it. So it ditches them after the first iteration.
Yeah,
We can tell it to persist.
okay, so we go to
Keywords
generate
generated.
keywords, right? That's what it was called. Explain the steps followed by generate at a high level for finding keywords. I'm getting fewer than 40 and wondering why. Let's see. Okay, let's break down how it works. Here's a look. Initial idea generation. First, ask an LLM to look at your business information and your website's markdown content. Based on this, it extracts core themes, benefits, differentiators, and other proprietary terms. Then it drafts an initial list of 40 to 60. Okay, loop up to 5 times or until 40 keywords with data are found. Which SEO lookup to get actual SEO data. It filters these results, keeping only keywords that have search volume greater than 0 that are added to a running list, current keywords with data. Okay, all right. So that would
So
be,
that's the
that
filtered
has
list of
12.
keywords. Yeah,
That has only 12 though. Would
the
it go
filtered
up?
list 12 still.
But what is valuable keywords? 12. So an additional 12, that's going to make 24. Yeah, it made it 24. Okay.
24, but only 12 is displayed,
Yeah,
like for
that's the
this article.
question. Like, okay, so okay, if the list of valuable keywords reaches target of 40, it's the last iteration. The loop stops. If more keywords are needed, it decides how to ask the LLM for the next batch of ideas. If the previous batch yielded no keywords, it asks for broader, shorter. If many of the found keywords had very low volume, it leans towards broader, shorter. A good chunk were high volume, but also highly competitive. It asks for narrower or longer to find less competitive niches. Otherwise, it asks for a balanced mix. It then goes back to the LLM with this new strategy, providing the themes and a list of keywords already tried to avoid repetition. This suggests a fresh batch of 20 to 30. Maybe max iterations of 5 is way too much, right? I feel like 3 is enough.
Yeah.
If all after all iterations, no keywords with search volume are found, it returns empty. Otherwise, all the keywords that did have search volume are sent to another LLM call. Okay, this is what we were talking about. There's a final LLM call responsible for categorizing each keyword into a bucket, determining the intent, calculating a score, and sorting the keywords by bucket, then by calculated score. So I think that's
The
probably what's
bucket, right?
happening here. Yeah?
Maybe the categories are not showing.
Finally, it formats everything into the generated keyword structure, limiting the output to the best 50. Hmm. This final LLM call is where where we're having issues. Um,
So it's grouped.
I think if we go to the final call, uh, this one, the final system prompt, that is where we're going to see, we have this crazy issue. So if we keep going now, it'll give you the third batch, okay? And then you can see current keywords with data, there's 24. We're going to add another, how many? 4. So that's going to be 28 now.
Each.
Okay, let's keep going. All right, so now it found 16 new ones, plus the 27 we have is going to bring us to 43. All right, so we hit the 40 limit. That's what we wanted. So current keywords with data is past 40. That's so we passed the target keyword count, and then now it's gonna go, all right, reach target, let's break. And then it says, all right, is it 0? No, it's not 0. So then it hits the final system prompt content. All right, all right, all right. And here we're gonna
This
have like that huge drop.
one.
I think this is the part that just results in a massive drop.
So this
So
one like categorizes them or it just drops them?
Um, so I'm honestly not sure why we have this. Uh, best 50 keywords. So I guess we were trying to limit it to the best 50 keywords, prioritize based on score. I don't know. Like maybe we should have just sent the entire list of keywords instead of farting about with this unnecessary call because I'm almost certain now we're gonna see. You're gonna see the result now. We had 43. Now, how many do we have? Look at that. It's probably 10. Yeah, the last call is pointless. Like we're just wasting time with that last call, man.
What is it supposed to do though?
I don't know actually. I'm not sure why we have that last call. Like it's supposed to return CPC volume, buckets, buckets and intent. I guess it was so the point of that was to convert. So if we look at current, let's see the format of the keywords we had, which was current keyword, keywords with data. Let's debug that. That's current keywords with data. Looks
What's
like
it mean?
this is what the this is what it looks like. And we're basically converting this into uh into this version. So it's mapping, you know, the keyword we have, the keyword. Cost per click, that doesn't change. Volume, that doesn't change. Competition, that does not change. So we have bucket, we're adding bucket, and we're adding intent. Sure. We're adding bucket and we're adding intent. That's it.
But why, if you add those, why would you drop uh, the rest? Like
No, the
you
LLM
added.
is stupid. The LLM is getting confused by all the data, and then it just says, oh, you know what? I'm just going to return 10. So we need to drop that last call.
We should
Drop
take
the
our time and
last
look at it
LLM
before we.
call,
Can
and
we skim through it?
we should what?
Skim through it, like just to make sure we're not dropping anything critical.
I just added a bunch of LLM calls. I mean, why did we want like the drop? And I say we just drop because it's screwing with the result count. LLM returns way fewer. Make sure. I don't know. We'll see. We'll test it. If it doesn't work, we can always revert.
I'll be back just a minute.
All right. Oh, test Lumina. No way. YouTube recommended me this. By the way, what are you guys building? Oh, welcome, welcome. Test Lumina. Test Lumina. We're building an automated marketing tool for devs that don't know how to market. SEO on autopilot. Oh, what happened here? Is that because I stopped the server? Probably what's going on, yeah. Stop the server.
Bro, give me like 5 minutes. I'll be right back.
Sure, yeah. Brand detection? What? Oh, wow. That's pretty weird. Like, it actually, wow. Look at that. It implemented the whole thing without using an LLM. Unbelievable. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. All right. Let's refresh. Well, we need to run, we need to run the server first, of course. Bro, my back is killing me. Ah, that's what happens when you do an hour. Whoa, my God, it's been 2.5 hours. It's 2 hours, 38 minutes. I feel like we're kind of competing with this guy, man. Nedio AI. I feel like there's just pressure to, do like a freaking 12-hour stream. Unbelievable. We should just stop. We should just stop. We're gonna wrap up. We're gonna wrap up, but first of all, we just need to make sure that we're generating the right number of keywords here. This was like a sidetrack keywords getting cut off. Yeah, we just got sidetracked there. Okay, what's going on here? Why is this not running? All right, so keywords showing up here. All right, so we basically want to regenerate the keywords and then, yeah, we're gonna see if we can get better keywords. Okay, so super long tail. It starts off super long tail, then it realizes, oh my God, I don't have any search volume. Only header for phrases. Oh man, that was bad. Like it actually screwed up in third one. So it went wider. 24 valuable keywords. The LLM should have suggested like better keywords. Instead, you just ended up with 24. Now you're getting no text for all of them. I don't know why that happens. All right, let's ask it to fix the no text thing. So it looks like it's actually showing the keywords. So they, oh, there it is. Oh man, it's way better. So you're getting way higher volume keywords here. But like they're super general though, that's the problem. I think that's the problem we have. Keywords are
Back in
super
business.
general. Welcome back. Welcome back, man. So commercial, yeah, it's definitely not commercial, man. Man, you missed out. Like it started,
And the good stuff.
I asked it to fix the thing, like drop the last one, but maintain the format. And then it just created these functions that removes like finds significant words from themes and then tries to find the intent, like if it's an informational, transactional, or question, using like hard coded words. I mean, it's pretty rubbish actually. It doesn't work. It doesn't work correctly because like it says construction is commercial intent, which it's not. Landscaping, landscape, entertainment, patio, backyard ideas. I feel
It's
like
all
three is
commercial.
is not enough iterations though. Maybe we need five
It was
iterations.
five.
Yeah, it was, but I wanted to go cheap, man. We shouldn't go cheap. I mean, this is our customer's livelihood at stake here. You don't want to go cheap. So let's not go cheap, okay? Stop making me go cheap. And what's with the weird like plus? Maybe we can drop bucket, drop intent. Uh,
Like,
yeah,
what's the point of bucket and intent in the first place? Where do we, in the strategy, is it important in the strategy?
I don't know, man. Like I really don't understand why we added it. What's the point? I don't I don't know.
I think, I remember, like, can you open up the site again? Yeah, it's not functioning. We had like categories, like it would display categories for keywords, if you remember. Are you with me?
Yeah, yeah, just
Hello.
it's like yeah, yeah.
I hear Simba.
Yeah, what were you saying?
I was saying in the site we had when we displayed the keywords, we had different categories. You click on each category, it displays the relevant keywords for that category. Now
Indeed,
it's gone.
that's true. Oh,
I
we don't
think
have
that's what
that?
the bucket stands for.
No, that was on the last step.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah, 100%.
Then I don't know what the buckets are for.
I mean, that would be part of strategy. I think strategy generates that.
Yeah,
I don't know, man.
it does generate, but not buckets. It generates intents, I think. No, no, I forgot. Pillars. It generates pillars.
Here are the proposed changes. I'll modify bucket. Oh, okay. All right. So
It
it's, yeah,
removes the
primary,
paragraph.
secondary, long tail brand. I see, I see, I see, I see. That was the,
Uh-huh.
actually, maybe it's useful to keep the bucket and intent. I feel bad about asking it to drop bucket intent. We can get bucket and intent for the keywords we have. We can request an LLM to provide us with and map them all back, but just make sure we don't lose keywords in the process. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I just want this thing to finish. This happens at the end of a long stream. I mean, the longer the stream,
It's
the
not even.
the worse the the lower your standards. I guess that's what happens. But you know what? Well, I think what the reason we're continuing to go is because of this guy. Like because of this guy showing off with his 12-hour stream, Nidio.
So
That's why.
yes,
Like
yes.
that's exactly why we're doing this. 2 hours 47 minutes into this stream. Like this is probably the longest stream we've ever done in our whole lives. And yet we're still going. And the reason we're still going is because of this guy, Nidio. I'm gonna put him in a timeout. I'm gonna put him in a
Why?
timeout, for 30 minutes. I don't want to hear about this guy for another 30 minutes. Yeah, timeout. Message deleted? Oh, crap. Oh, does it delete his message? Oh, I didn't know it would delete his
Why,
message.
man?
I mean, I'm sorry, man. I didn't expect that.
Whatever.
Well, anyway, we're gonna be wrapping up the stream here, so there's no need to get aggressive with the few people that are actually interacting. Let's see. So he's fixed it. He's okay, he's fixed it. Do you think we should try it without actually
Let's give it a shot.
testing this? We just wing it. Let's see. See if this actually works. I would be shocked if it works at this point. Just need to get up and stretch, man. I need to stretch. Okay, let's generate keywords. Let's go. Analyzing market trends and search volumes. Hmm, yeah, that's fair. Is this now? Or is that an old one? Okay, iteration one. Ah, okay. So got 41 keyword ideas, found one valuable keyword. Oh, crap. And then I was like, all right, let's go super wide. And then processing 30, you got 21 that were
32,
valuable. And then it suggested some new ideas. And
7.
then it only found 7 valuable. Max iterations reached? Bro, I made this 5. Oh, I guess it
Maybe it's
didn't.
the old one. Oh, now we're looking at keywords, man.
Yeah, now you got more keywords. That's definitely more keywords. Yeah. I mean, we can format them better. They're just taking up way too much space here. Could
It
probably
could
group
be like
them.
more or something, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Group them by intent, and then it's not even showing correctly. But yeah, I mean,
24, 27.
yeah, I don't know, man. All right. I'm gonna wrap up the stream here, man. We'll wrap up the stream here. All right, folks. Well, we'll catch you in the next one. I was kind of hoping, but I didn't really expect it. I didn't really expect this would be the last one. Maybe the next one would be the last one. Who knows? Who knows? We'll wait and see. All right, folks. Adios. Goodbye for now. Signing out. Any last words before we drop the mic, Mr. Abraham?
Well, thank you, dear viewers, for tuning in. Hopefully, more good stuff to come. What's more is that, keep vibing, my man, my peoples.
Keep vibing,
Uh,
yes.
yeah.
May the vibe
Like, no
be
matter
with
how
you.
many times you create, well, one thing is for certain, no matter how many times you create a deadline, you might end up missing it anyway. So it would just be so our goal here is to create the most valuable product for our valued customers. Something people could use.
Yeah, 5 iterations, man. I mean, this is not cheap. It's not cheap at all, but you guys are worth it. So, yeah, hopefully coming out, sometime this week. Definitely buy our most expensive plan. We're expecting the cheapest one to be around 500 a month, right? I think that's the sort of benchmark that we're going for. So, you know, uh, you guys know what to do. Anyway, I feel like that just turned into a speech by people.